lighter na sabaw amin sa talbos. Lagyan ko siya ng aking mushroom soup. Sarap. Noodles at mushroom soup. Noodles na may mushroom soup. Kaya ha. Noodles na may mushroom soup at talbos ng kamote. Masarap. Talbos.